Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I hope you're all having a really good time wherever you are in the world right now. And today's video, I wanted to do an update about Clean Carbon. And if you are unfamiliar, Clean Carbon is basically a company that wants to combine blockchain technology with their off-chain assets to become a big player in the renewable energy sector. And their ecosystem combined with their future passive income stream, which they're going to offer, makes this a project that you really want to keep your eyes on, in my opinion. And if you are unfamiliar with Clean Carbon and you do want to know more about it, then I've done a lot of videos really deep diving into how it works, and I'll leave a link to the playlist for that in the description of the video. Clean Carbon has been keeping up with its roadmap in regards to forming new partnerships and also signing of the contracts to build their first installation. And in this video, I'm going to cover the most recent event, which is their partnership with FiWare and the FiWare Expo, and to show you the significance of that for Clean Carbon. Before I get into that, a big congratulations to Dydra HR, who won $100 worth of MDB tokens by watching my MDB AMA video. And the next giveaway is for 50 BUSD. And if you want to know about that, then all the information for that is in my Wizadia video. FiWare has been around for about a decade, and it's an open cloud-based platform for creation and delivery of applications and services. In other words, it's a place where big business and people can find standardized, reusable, and quickly deployable models for potential problems that they might have. For example, let's say you're a local government and you have tens of square kilometers of parklands and public spaces that you want to irrigate, but you want to do it in the most efficient means that you can. So what you can do is you can come here to their marketplace where they have all these different types of products. And one of them you can see is smart irrigation. When you click on it, it takes you to this page, which shows you things like how much water you can save and how much money you can save, and just a general overview. So if you think about it, if you are a local government, if you're a business owner, if you're a hotel chain manager, if you're an industrial real estate developer, then this type of stuff you're really going to want to know about, and this type of stuff is really important when you are doing all of your developments. Clean Carbon isn't listed on the FiWare website yet, and that's simply because Clean Carbon isn't at the stage where it has a product and a model to sell like all these other companies do. But the big news is, and you can see in the video here, that FiWare just had a 2-day expo in which Clean Carbon was one of the key sponsors, and the CEO Udo was a keynote speaker during the opening. And here you can see Udo giving his keynote speech to the summit attendees, which are predominantly investors. So the goals for Clean Carbon during this summit was to basically inform everyone about how the project works, its role in DeFi, the technology behind it, and its future vision. And clearly, once the pilot program is finished, Clean Carbon will be able to offer its own solution on FiWare, which will essentially give the potential to give mass adoption for this product. This is obviously massive and really important to Clean Carbon because they are going to be able to offer their product to essentially the world. But another thing which you might not realize is that the partnership goes both ways. So also, in addition to Clean Carbon offering this to anybody who wants it, with the renewable energy sector, along with a lot of other sectors, there can be a bottleneck with big data. So how do you read and sort all this information that comes in from various aspects and locations? Well, you can use FiWare-based applications such as AI-equipped systems. So this partnership between FiWare and Clean Carbon really is a big thing. So what's next for Clean Carbon? Well, somebody actually asked that in the Telegram and Udo responded, and this was the question. They said, can you give us a general schedule for next steps to have some idea of how we can progress in the short-term future, 6 months at least? And Udo responded, we will come up with further news in the next few weeks. We are moving forward and things are really looking good. Nevertheless, we have to be aware of the actual EU gas and energy crisis, which affects us in terms of production delays and other areas. But we will get through this as our solution fully tackles the actual problems. How production is actually going to be affected is unsure, but I do know that there is more news coming out because I am in regular contact with the dev team. So once that news does come out, then obviously I'll do future videos on that as well. And my friends, what do you think about clean carbon? What do you think about this project and maybe some of the potential problems they're going to have with what's sort of happening in the world right now? I'd really love to know. Please leave a comment and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.